What is going on, guys? JT43 here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a OEM Scion TC cargo mat. So clearly, you can see my trunk is just filled with shit. I got jacks, tire irons, my lug nut box, tools, torque wrench, tripod. I got a bunch of shit in here. And over time, you can kind of see, like, so this Husky box would sit like that all the time. It's kind of left an indent into the OEM rug. Anything that I'm using here will be linked in the description if you want to pick one up for yourself. I highly recommend it because these rugs get easily damaged. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to put on the cargo mat. All right, so taking a quick second just to look at it. I struggled to take it out of the box. It comes all wrinkled up. So I'm keeping the bag on it because this table is pretty dirty. It's like a big fucking piece of dirt over there, and the table's just kind of filthy, but it will come kind of like scrunched up. This is OEM. This isn't the Amazon shit, the eBay shit. This is OEM. But yeah, it comes crinkled up. The only way to fix it is you'll have to just leave it out in the sun, because it's rubber has memory, and while it heats up, it'll kind of go back to its original form. If you're like me and you don't have sun right now, you'll just need to put it in your trunk, and eventually, you know, when the car heats up and it heats up itself, it will eventually take shape to your trunk. Yeah, so we just took a quick brief look at it. Obviously I have a lot of shit to clean out of my trunk, and I'm sure you do too. You know, these are hatchbacks. They have giant fucking trunks. So step one is going to be removing all the stuff from your trunk. And so from that time lapse, you saw I kind of had a lot of shit, but you can also see how from that stuff kind of sitting in the trunk for a while, it left indents in my actual carpet. So not only the Husky one, but my license plate left an indent here. Some of the tools that you use for the jack left some indents over here. So what I'm gonna do next, you probably don't have to do this if it's not dirty, but you see I got all these leaves and shit. I'm just gonna take the rug out and just quickly shake it out just to kind of clean it a little bit. All right, so now that I took my rug out and I cleaned it, I went ahead and just kind of cleaned the under. It's like a two-piece. It's not really a rug. It's like more cardboard with like kind of felt over it. But now that I cleaned my rug, I'm gonna go ahead and put my rug back in. So just like that, my rug is in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my cargo mat. So got the mat. Now I'm just gonna place it over my rug. So here it is inside the car. Now, like I said, it is going to need to take some heat, or maybe you already did the strategy that I told you. You could put some heat to it, either using a heat gun or you'll put it out in the sun, and it morphed exactly to your trunk. But this one is going to need to definitely warm up to better suit my trunk. Like this little seal can get pushed down. Anyway, that's pretty much how to install the cargo mat. There's no stickies, anything like that. It's pretty well in there. Like, it doesn't really wobble around. And it's high wall too. So any stuff that, like, you know, say there's a spill or something like that, it's gonna get stuck in the cargo mat. Well, just real quick, let me show you. Say it's not white, it's gray. It looks white on camera, but it's a gray symbol, and it says Scion on it, and then it has a little warning label. But that's pretty much it to it. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.